show you how to read all of them. How, tào, to, a, tào, nose, cho mò, cho chữ ngơ, cho mò, mò, kite, climb, khó chữ ngơ, claw, I climb, ngơ, climb, climb. So I will show you how to say that one. I just know how to like Khmer, like English, and then you want to me how to like no. Last video. Let's wait a minute. Wait a minute. How to say? So I got this one. 10,000 likes. Get this one in Cambodia. 10,000 likes. What is 10,000 likes? I don't know. Tell me on the comment. Hey, this one is keep coming and falling. So what do you guess? I don't care. I don't care. Just like. This I'm writing. So this is how to spell my to áo tảo cho chữ ngữ cho mò mò cho mò. So I will write again. It's so tricky for everything. I think this is right. This is how you like it. Táo to a tảo cho mò cho chữ ngữ cho mò mò cho mò khó chừng lơ. I'm gonna say it's upside down. This one. Khó chừng lơ claw. I climb and go climb. Tao cho mò. Climb. This is how you spell it. Give it to your kid and your kid will know.